Welcome to our in-depth overview of Affpilot, the cutting-edge AI-powered tool designed to revolutionize your content creation process. Affpilot is not just another AI writing tool, it's a comprehensive platform that empowers bloggers, affiliate marketers, and content creators to produce high-quality, SEO-optimized content with unprecedented ease. From bulk article generation to detailed SEO analysis, Affpilot has every feature you need to dominate your niche. Let's explore how each feature can elevate your blogging and content creation strategy. Let's begin with Affpilot's powerful writing tools, tailored to meet the diverse needs of content creators. Bulk article generation. Affpilot's bulk article generation feature is a game changer for content creators who need to scale quickly. With just a single click, you can generate up to 1,000 unique articles. These articles are not just generic content, they're well-researched, SEO-optimized, and crafted to engage your audience as if written by a human. The AI ensures that each article is both relevant and informative, making this tool perfect for building out your content library or maintaining multiple blogs. Short info article. Sometimes you need content that's short, sweet, and to the point. The short info article feature allows you to generate concise articles packed with valuable information, perfect for quick reads or summaries that engage your audience without overwhelming them. Input subheading. This feature allows you to take control of your content structure. Simply input your main keywords in your pre-researched subheadings and Affpilot will generate content that is organized, logical, and aligned with your SEO goals. This ensures that your articles are not only informative but also strategically structured to rank well in search engines. Bulk article editor. For those who want a more hands-on approach, the bulk article editor offers the flexibility to generate and then edit articles within Affpilot's intuitive dashboard. You can refine content, adjust tone, or add your personal touch before publishing. This feature is especially useful for content creators who want to maintain a consistent voice across their articles. Human-like mode, outline to article. Affpilot's human-like mode allows you to create content that flows naturally and reads authentically. Start by generating a detailed outline based on your chosen keywords, then customize it to match your specific requirements. Once you're satisfied with the structure, Affpilot will expand the outline into a full article. This feature is ideal for producing comprehensive, well-structured articles that feel natural and engaging to readers. Client generator. If you're into affiliate marketing, the client generator is a must-have tool. It automatically generates product review articles and seamlessly integrates affiliate links into the content. These links are inserted naturally, ensuring that your reviews are both persuasive and profitable. With these writing tools, Affpilot ensures that every article you produce is not only human-like and SEO-friendly, but also fully tailored to your specific needs. Next, let's delve into Affpilot's specialized Amazon review article features, designed to help you dominate the Amazon affiliate space. Amazon review article. This feature is perfect for generating bulk Amazon review articles. Simply input your target keywords and Affpilot will automatically select relevant products and generate detailed, persuasive reviews. These reviews are designed to be SEO-friendly and to convert readers into buyers, making it easier for you to generate revenue from your affiliate links. Manual review article. If you prefer to have more control over your content, the manual review article feature lets you handpick the products you want to review. Affpilot then generates high-quality, detailed reviews based on your selections. This feature is ideal for niche sites or for when you want to focus on specific products that resonate with your audience. These features make Affpilot the go-to tool for creating detailed, high-converting Amazon product reviews, helping you maximize your affiliate earnings with minimal effort. Affpilot isn't just about products and reviews, it's also a powerful tool for creating engaging biography content. Bulk generation biography. With just a few clicks, you can generate a complete biography of any famous person. Affpilot's AI synthesizes information from multiple sources to create a cohesive, informative narrative. Each biography is designed to be SEO-friendly, ensuring that your content not only educates but also attracts traffic. Biography article editor. For those who need more customization, the Biography article editor allows you to fine-tune the content before publication. This feature lets you add your own insights, adjust the tone, or include additional information that might be relevant to your audience. The result is a polished, personalized biography that meets your specific needs. These tools are perfect for bloggers and content creators who want to diversify their content offerings with well-crafted biographies of famous individuals. Now, let's explore the SEO tools that make Affpilot an essential part of your digital marketing strategy. Scrape competitors' keywords. Understanding what keywords your competitors are targeting is crucial for staying ahead in the SEO game. With Affpilot's Scrape Competitors Keywords feature, you can quickly identify the exact keywords that are driving traffic to your competitors' sites. Simply input their domain or sitemap URL, and Affpilot will provide you with a detailed list of keywords that you can target in your own content strategy. Keyword Grouping Tool. Managing thousands of keywords can be overwhelming, but Affpilot's Keyword Grouping Tool simplifies this process. This feature automatically organizes your keywords into logical groups based on topics or themes, making it easier to develop a coherent content strategy. This is particularly useful for large-scale content projects where maintaining focus and consistency is key. Keywords Explorer. The Keywords Explorer tool is your gateway to uncovering the most relevant and high-performing keywords in your niche. By entering your niche or seed keyword, Affpilot explores Google's suggested keywords, providing you with a comprehensive list of keyword ideas. This tool ensures that your content is optimized to attract the right audience and improve your search engine rankings. With these SEO tools, Affpilot empowers you to create content that not only engages your readers but also performs exceptionally well in search engine results. Affpilot is more than just a tool, it's your partner in content creation and digital marketing success. From generating thousands of articles and Amazon reviews to crafting detailed biographies and optimizing your content with powerful SEO tools, Affpilot does it all. If you're ready to elevate your blogging game, Affpilot is the tool you need. Thank you for joining us in this detailed overview. To learn more about each feature, be sure to check out our in-depth tutorials available on our YouTube channel. Start using Affpilot today and watch your content creation process transform.